Hi friends, my name is Aqil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will tell you one of the best method to find the records those exist in one table but missing from the another table. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is that we will try to write a SQL query using not exist clause to find the records those exist in one table but missing from the another table. So let's jump to the demo. So this is one of the widely used scenario for the SQL developers that they need to write a SQL query to find the records those exist in one table but they are missing from the another table. So I already created one of the video earlier as well using the left join to find those records, and maybe I can share the link of that particular video as well. But in this particular video I will show you one of the best method and one of the fast method to find the records those exist in one table but missing from the another table. So here I got a school database, and in the school database I got two tables, the customers table and the orders table. So if I show you the data in these particular tables, so this is the customers table, and then we got the orders table as well. So I can write here orders. Okay, so these are the two tables, and if you look here, so the customer ID, this is the primary key in this table and this is the foreign key in the orders table. Okay, so these two tables, they can be joined together using the customer ID. So in the customers table there can be some customer ID, those are missing from the orders table. So we need to write a query to find the customer ID from the customers table, those are missing from the orders table. So there can be different ways to write the query to find those records, and today we are going to see the not exist method, which is the very fast method to find those particular records. So to write the query we need to write select star from our first table customers where not exist. Okay, and then in the inner query we need to select the data, select one from the second table is the orders table, we can alias it as B, where B dot customer ID equal to customers, the first table customers dot customer ID. Okay, so this is our final query. So in the inner query we are just trying to match the records between the orders table and the customers table based on the customer ID. Okay, so this will return the matching records between both the tables, but the outer query, this is just filtering out those records, like it is just skipping those records which are common between the both the tables. So then it will leave with only the records those exist in the customers table but they are missing from the orders table. Okay, so this is the final query. So if I execute this query, then this will return all the customer ID from the customers table, those exist in the customers table but missing from the orders table. So let me execute this particular query. So these are the two records. Okay, and maybe we can just execute all the three tables together so that we can just compare the data as well. So if you see here, the customer ID 1, this is present in both the tables, customer ID 2, this is also present in both the tables. Now the customer ID 3 does not exist here. Now the customer ID 4, this exists in the customers table but this is missing from the orders table, so that's why this record came here. Now the customer ID 5 is present in both the tables, but if you look at the customer ID 7, so this present in the customers table but missing from the orders table, so that's why this record came here. So this is one of the best way to find the missing records between two tables, and I will share the customers table, orders table, create table statement and the insert query as well, so that you can use it in your environment as well. So I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video then please click the like button, do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.